Why my bad bitches
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She thinking she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be
high volume, high volume, high volume.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something.
Hi, what's up, what's good, what's wrong, what's happening, how y'all doing? Your girl is back with another video, as y'all can see. Yeah, we finna whip this. We finna do something to it. But you know, before we get into this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Because if you're not subscribed, what is you doing? You haven't watched none of my previous videos, what you doing? If you're new here, hi. But if you know what I'm saying, if you just spectating, what's up? You know what I'm saying? Anyways, I'm finna switch to my camera because this is my phone. And we're trying to preserve the battery. Well, not the battery, but it is going to, but we're trying to preserve more so like our storage space. So I'm finna switch. Give me a minute. Okay, so I decided not to record on my camera because it just wasn't giving the quality that I wanted it to give. So I stayed on my phone, but right here, I just started doing my little small braid. I did 5 of these, 1 in the middle and 2 on each side. I feel like I could have did them smaller, but it still came out cute.
I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body. Okay, so right here, I'm not sure if y'all can really see, but instead of braiding my braid all the way down to my nape area, I just braided it halfway because I added my small braids into my big braids. I also did not add any hair to any of my braids except for like towards the end area because my hair is just so thick, so I just don't feel the need to like really add any hair when it comes to me braiding my hair down.
Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together.
So I'm done doing my little small braids. Now I'm about to do the other side. And the good part about doing these small braids is the fact that you don't have to part your head anymore once you've done your little small braids. Because when it comes to parting my hair, I'm a perfectionist and it's going to take me a cool little hour just to get one part. So that's the best part about having these little small braids. Well, doing these little small braids.
This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Ooh. Told cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxed. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the videos packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a baby Simon down on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like Stockton. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. So cool, yeah.
And we are done with the hard part, which is really parting, more so braiding. But we're done with the hard part now. Let's do the fun part.
Cut the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Winn-Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch, I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch, I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread. I still got powerhouses coming through on mopeds. I'ma still run it, check up like I got 4 legs. Give me any drug, I'ma get it off. I'ma slap on these fuck niggas every time they piss notes. Bitch, I'm tryna score, I ain't got no time to punt. I'm filling up my slap wood with Obama runs. Just throw me the alley hoop, yeah. Bitch threw me the alley hoop, I fucked around and dumped. Got the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Winn-Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch, I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch, I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread.
This real ice, I don't need a flash for this shit. For this cash, got a bad bitch that'll do a trick. Designer down, I ain't take the tag off this shit. They ask me why, cause bitch, I paid a bag for this shit. I'm that type of nigga, get a rap check, go buy a brick. I'm the type of nigga, catch you hatin', I'ma slide your bitch. You with this shit, oh yeah, I ain't pick what side you with. Bad still coming in, all kind of shit. Foreign car driver, pull up all kind of whips.
So right here, I'm taking my small braider loose because I forgot to do it before I started braiding my hair. But before you start braiding, you want to make sure that you take your small braider loose so that you can easily add it into your big braid.
All this jewelry on, I ain't got no time to tussle. Looking like a breed, jumping out that motherfucker.
Cut the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash.
So this is what I mean when I say I add hair once I get like to the nape area of my hair, because again, my hair is so thick at the top, there's no purpose in adding hair. And don't mind me, y'all, I'm watching my boys play, you know, shout out to the Grizzlies. They didn't win that night, but it's all good.
2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind.
So of course we had to open some more hair, but I forgot to tell y'all that I used a 6-bundle pack of braid hair. The brand is Spectra, I think that's how you say it, Spectra. And I love this hair because it blends so good with my natural hair. But technically I didn't use the entire 6 bundles because I had already used a bundle for a previous hairstyle that I did. But I kind of used like 4, maybe 3.5 bundles in order to achieve this look.
You managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. Child. She don't want how much, she want Amex and I'm inclined. Face card valid, no one ever presses mine. Took a month to make it to my lobby. Can't be prime, no. Turn policies, can't be mine, nah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a holler. Bitch, I'm a star, I got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get offended. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna holler. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this. Hey, bitch, I do rich shit. My money thick. Hey, walk with a limp. I'm on some pimp shit. Hey, he say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit. I'm in my bag, bitch. I'm on your ass, bitch. I'm in that new shit. You on that last year. Bitch, I do pimp shit. Oh, you on simp shit. Hey, he say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash.
Now that we're done, I'm about to use my favorite edge control. This is called the Balm Collection. I get it from Angie's Beauty Supply Store. I'm not sure if they sell this in other beauty supply stores, but this is Atlanta, and I feel like this is a black-owned business also. And I absolutely love this edge control. I think it was like $6 or $8.99, but you can get like a little small little sample for like I think $2.99. But it works so perfect on my hair because when it comes to my baby hairs or my edges, period, baby, I be needing something that's strong, and this is strong. She can literally last all day if I apply it just right.
New shit. You on that last year.
All right, now this is my favorite part. I use so much mousse, so y'all don't talk about me, but I use a lot of mousse when it comes to my hair because I need it to lay the down. Do you hear me? I need my hair to lay, so I use a lot of mousse when it comes to me finally completing my hair or whatever.
Somebody else titties. I'm a finesse and I'm a fly.
And these are the finishing touches. Sorry for my dirty mirror. But this is like 3 days later. I did my hair on Friday. Today is Sunday. And yeah, but this is what the hair is looking like. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and comment. Bye!